Live video. Live video. Match session. Stretching. Stretching. तो मोबाइल का हातात धरणार ते.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome you back for the session today. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rakesh. Good to see you. Good to see you all for the session. Good to see about 70 people are already joined, and still it's not at 5:30. We'll start in about 2-3 minutes time, and I have an important announcement to make. I'm waiting for everyone to join in. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good to see so many people. Almost 100 people already joined in. Thank you. We are going to have the session today about cardio and towel stretching batch. I have a very important announcement to make today, and hope we all are listening properly. Or should I wait for another 1 or 2 minutes? Still many people joining in. 125 people already joined in. It's 5:31, and okay. Now there are 2-3 things which I wish to mention it here. Is that today we had announced a cardio batch for about 20 minutes. Then then we were doing the towel stretching batch. But the things are too hot. The weather is too hot, and it's very difficult to do the cardio batch right now. So what we have decided is that we will have the cardio batch. We will have a very light cardio batch. We will not have the intense cardio batch. Just a warm-up purpose, and then we'll start the stretching session because it's already too hot. Even if we stand like this, also we start sweating. So we will have the warm-up session, and then we'll directly start the stretching session with the towels. Okay. Second very important announcement is tomorrow evening batch, floor exercise batch will start at 6 p.m. instead of 5:30. Please note, tomorrow evening batch is at 6 p.m. instead of 5:30 because it's too hot, and we'll start at 6 o'clock. Okay. So I repeat, tomorrow evening floor exercise batch, and day after as well, Saturday, both the days the batch will start at 6 p.m. Tomorrow and Saturday, both days the batch will start at 6 p.m. instead of 5:30. Okay, please keep this notification with you. And today we are just going to do the light warm-up session, and then we are going to start the towel stretching. Okay, so should we start? Hope all are here. Almost 150 people. That's good. 145. Still people joining in. Yes, 6 p.m. is better because many people also requested that they are working from home, so it's better for them to work, exercise after their working hours. Hopefully they are working. They said they are working, so hopefully. And plus it's too hot. So we'll start at 6 p.m. tomorrow instead of 5:30. Okay? Okay. Now Monish will demonstrate you the running technique warm-ups. We'll just do the warm-up first. About few exercises, very light warm-up. The second important thing I wish to mention here is what I've noticed, or many people, they do not warm up at all for the batches. They do not warm up at all. They just directly come and start the batch. Please don't do this. This is not good for you. You will have a lot of injuries if you don't warm up. It's not that it's not at all advisable to do without warm up. So please warm up. Actually, I insisted on doing this batch today, the cardio before. The reason is people don't warm up, and without warm up, stretching batch is very dangerous because you cannot stretch the cold muscles. You have to stretch the warm muscles. What happens is when we warm up, the blood circulation is towards the working muscles, and if there is not adequate blood circulation towards the working muscles, then your muscles do not stretch adequately. So you have to warm up. That is the most essential bottom line. So we are conducting the warm up today, and then we are going to start the stretching batch. We are not conducting the cardio session today because it already is too hot. Okay, thank you. So, front to walk. Okay, you all require shoes for this warm up session, and after that you don't require shoes. So after that, if you can remove the shoes, that's fine, but now you require shoes. Okay, start with the toe walk. Start with the toe walk. Knees locked, knees locked. Jog back. 4 times. He's going to do it 4 times. Toe walk, knees locked, knees locked. And jog back. Again. Toe walk, knees locked. Jog back. Toe walk. And jog back. Now heel walk. Again 4 times heel walk. Lift your toe up, knees locked. Lift your toe up, knees locked. Jog back. 4 times. Jog back. Jog back. Lift your toes up, knees locked. Jog back. Now high knee run, gentle high knee run. Just right hand, left leg. Knees up, right hand, left leg. If you don't have the space, you can do it on the spot. That should be fine. Jog back. Again. Jog back 4 times. Right hand, left leg. Jog back. One more time. Butt kicks. Now the butt kicks. Just see, he's starting it from here itself. Kick your butts. Kick your butts. Kick your butts. Jog back. Jog back. Jog back. All exercise 4 times. Okay, jog back. Jog back again. Now he's going to do the toeing. Okay, lift his toe up, hands on his waist, toe up. Run with the toe up. Yep, knees locked, toeing up, toe up, toe up, toe up, toe up, toe up, toe up. This warms up your quadriceps. Toeing, toe up, toe up, up, toes up, toes up, toes up, toes up, up. Jog back 4 times. Lift your toes up. Lift your toes up, up, knees locked, Jog back. One more time. Toes up, hands on your waist, toes up. Jog back. Now typewriting, drive your hands as well. Drive your hands with the short steps. Drive your hands. Toes up, up. Jog back. Lift your knees slightly, just slide. Drive your hands. 4 times. Jog back. Drive your hands. Jog back. One more time. Drive your hands. Jog back. And a bounding. Right hand, left leg. Knee up. Bounding. Up. Jog back. Jog back. अरुण तू व्यायामाकडे लक्ष दे, कुकरच्या शिट्टीकडे नको. जॉग बॅक 4 times. Now sideways. You're going to jog sideways 2 times either sides. Last time. Okay, now we are done with the warm-up and we'll start our stretching session. Before that, there is one more important announcement to be done. Tomorrow morning at 8:30 we are doing an eating habit session. The follow-up session of the last about 2 days back, we did the eating habit session. It was a thought-provoking session. But this time we are doing the what are the contents you have to eat. That we are going to do the session tomorrow morning at 8:30 on Facebook Live. I already sent it on the Instagram and Facebook, as well as the PYC gym members on their WhatsApp. Please do not miss it tomorrow morning at 8:30 on Facebook Live by Sandesh Sakardande. Okay, so stay tuned tomorrow morning at 8:30 as well. So now we'll start the stretching session. Hope you have a big towel like this. Okay, I'll just take you to the different place. We don't require shoes now. You can remove the shoes. You can remove the shoes. You need a big towel. You need real big towel. Napkin will not do. You need a big towel. Okay? You need this big towel. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to start. We're going to start with hands up and down. Keep your hold your towel wider and hands up and down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold the towel up, wide and back. Hold it wider. Hold it there. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now hold the towel in front. Elbows little softer. Hold it in little between, in line of your shoulder. Your hand should be right in line of your shoulders. Okay, hand should be in line of your shoulders and elbows little softer. Elbows soft, you have to pull the towel out. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull the towel out. 5, 6, 7, out. 8, this stretches your lateral shoulder. 9 and 10. Same way you have to bend your elbows. Lock your elbows close to your ribs. Lock your elbows close to your ribs. Okay, towel should be held in line of your elbow and pull it out. Both hands pull it out. Both hands. Again, we are stretching the lateral shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now what you have to do is, you just have to hold your one hand, right hand, and you have to pull the left hand out. You just have to hold the right hand and pull your left hand out and hold it there. So you are stretching your left lateral shoulder. Left lateral shoulder. You just have to pull it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now hold the left and pull your right hand out. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now towel should be 90 degrees, elbow should be bent at 90 degrees for the rotator cuff stretch. Okay, elbow should be bent at 90 degrees. Watch his elbows. They both are elbows 90 degrees in line of his shoulder. Okay, now you have to pull the towel out. Pull the towel out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. With the same 90 degree angle, you just have to Make a towel, get a towel in front and up and down 10 times. Pull your towel out, it has to be 90 degrees. Chalo, pull. 1, 2, elbow bend at 90. 3, slow roll. 4, pull the towel out. 5, 6, 7, elbow should be in line of his shoulders. 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Now hold the towel at the back side, palm facing in front. Palm facing in front. Okay? Pull the towel out. Pull it out wider. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out and lift it up. Up, up, up. Your pectorals are getting stretched. And hold it there. Hold it there. Over no. Palm. Hold it there. 1, 2, let it go wider. Your pectorals will get stretched. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? Now hold the towel closer to your body. Hold it closer to your body. Hold it closer to your body. Same. Palm facing in front. Hold it closer to your body. Okay? And you bend forward. Bend forward. Get your hand over the head. Get a hand over the head. Stretching your shoulders, tricep and bicep. Full arms. Hold the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly up. Now hold the towel at the back. Hold the towel at the back. See the position. His right elbow is bent at 90 degrees. His left elbow is right behind the head. Okay? And he just have to pull his left hand up. You have to pull his left hand up. So his right elbow will go, right hand will go up. So his right shoulder is getting stretched. Up. Pull it up. Hold it there. Pull it up. So right shoulder is getting stretched. 1, 2, 3. Pull it up. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now pull the right hand down. Behind his left shoulder is getting stretched now. Pull his right hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now change your hand. Now your left hand behind, right hand up. Okay? Stretch. First, pull it up. Pull it up. Hold the towel in the center and pull it up. So his left shoulder is getting stretched now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pull your left hand down. So his right shoulder is getting stretched now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now get the towel in front. I think Kavita, you joined late. We are not going to hold the cardio batch because it's already too hot. So we cannot conduct the cardio batch today. We already done the warming up session. Now we already started the stretching batch. Okay. Now both legs wide. Both legs wide. Turn your left feet to the left side. Turn your left feet to left side. Okay, stretch your hands up. Stretch your hands up. Turn your shoulders to your left side and bend forward. You just have to bend forward and stretch forward. Go ahead. Stretch forward. Go ahead. 1, 2, stretch forward. 3, knee straight. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, Stretch, stretch, stretch. 7 and 8. Now we're going to make, now he's going to turn his right leg. He's going to turn it that way. Turn it, lift his right heel up, bend his right knee down, and stretch both the hands up to stretch the groin. To stretch the groin, keep looking up. Look up and back. Lean back and hold it there. 1, 2, 3. This stretches the groin. 4. Look up, look up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now to your right side. Turn your left feet. Okay, to turn now. Make your right leg to your right feet to your right side. Okay. Now stretch forward. First stretch up and go forward. Okay. Your right knee straight and go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch forward. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now this leg bend. Lift your heel up. Okay. Look up. Lean back. Knees softer. Lean back to stretch the groin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you just have to sit down. Welcome from Singapore. Thank you very much for attending the batch. Okay. Now both legs straight. Both legs straight. Okay. Towel to your right arch. Put the towel to your right arch. I'll just set the camera. 1 second. I'll just set the camera. Yes. Now pull your right leg up and hold it in line of your head. You just have to bend forward, pull the toe towards you, and you have to go forward. Okay? Take your head towards the knee. Try and go towards the knee. Pull the toe towards you, so your glutes, hamstrings, and calves, everything is getting stretched. 1, 2, 3, pull. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change the leg. Other leg, other arch. Pull. 1, try and go closer. 2, try and take your head closer to your knee. 3, 4, 5, 6, bend forward. 7 and 8. Okay? Now lie down. Okay, now lie down on your back. Now towel to your right arch. Towel to your right arch and hold the towel in the right hand. Ujjva hatat towel pakda. Only in your right hand. Okay? And pull the leg to your right side. Your left hand should be on the ground. Your left shoulder should be on the ground. Hold it only with your right hand. Fakto ujjva hata nahi pakda. Okay, and pull it up towards the head. So his inner thighs are getting stretched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now hold it with your left hand. Now hold it with your left hand and take it across. Pull it across. Look on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the towel. 7. This entire side should get stretched. 8, 9, and 10. Now change the leg. Now your left. Hold it only in your left hand and take the leg to your left side. Take it to your left and pull it up. Pull it up. Pull. 1, 2, 3. Hold it only in your left hand. 4, 5. Knee straight. How can it be bent? 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now hold it with your right hand and take it across. Pull it up. Look on the other side. 1, 2, 3. We are only working the side completely. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's just keep this towel aside. Just keep the towel aside. Lie down on your back. Now the glute stretch. Okay. Right leg on your left knee. Pull the left knee towards the chest. Okay. And your left leg straight. And you want to hold your left hand and left toe. Pull the left toe towards you and try and make a knee straight. Pull. 1, 2, knee straight. 3, pull it. 4, pull it. 5, knee straight. Your glutes are getting stretched. Your right leg glute are getting stretched. 8, 9, and 10. Change the leg. Left and right. Your right leg straight. Pull your right toe towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee straight and pull it closer to you. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now you have to face the camera. Now he will sit on his hips. Right leg behind. No, on your left hip. Sit on your left hip. Your right leg behind, straight. And get your left leg in front. See, this is the position you have to sit. Look at his left knee pointing forward. His right leg is straight. Yep. You have to turn your right feet at the back. Okay? You have to sit on your hips. You have to sit on your butt. Don't sit on your leg. Sit on your hip. Okay. Now get your right hand across. Get your right hand across. His shoulder is touching in front of your left knee. And his left hand across. And he's twisting his upper body. So he's stretching his glutes as well as the sides. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This stretches your glutes as well as the sides. Now change your leg. Sit on the other leg. Other hip, sorry. You have to sit on a hip, not on a leg. Keep that in mind. Sit on a hip. Now left shoulder touching in front of the left knee. His left hand is going across, right hand behind the waist. This stretches his sides as well as the glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Now sit down on your butts. Both legs little apart, bend and little apart. and hands touching the ground, the back. Okay. Now push your right knee down, closer to the ground. Push it with the other leg. You have to push it with the other leg and twist your upper body to opposite direction. So this stretches the groin and the sides and this side as well. Okay. Just watch what he's doing. Again he'll show you again. Again, tell. Both legs. Now right leg down, left leg onto it, and push it down with this, and look on the other side. Look on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change the leg. This stretches the inner thigh as well as sides, the ITBs. Other leg, and look on the other side. Twist your upper body to opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The same exercise we are going to do it lying down. Okay, same exercise we are going to do lying down. Okay, chal, lie down. Both legs little apart. Both legs little apart. The right leg will go down. Left leg will push it down, and twist your upper body to opposite direction. Try and take both the hands on the opposite sides. This stretches the inner thigh as well as the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change the leg. Stretch. Chalo. Other leg. First, एक step. First, push your leg down. Keep your other leg onto it, and look on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Get a hand here. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Sit down on the legs. Both feet should be right below the hips. See the way he's sitting. You have to sit down like this. Your feet should be right below the butts. Okay. Now rest your hands at the back. Rest your hands at the back. Your right leg will be down and up. Okay. This is the starting position. Lift your knees up. You just have to push your one leg up, or one leg down and one leg up. So your quadriceps are getting stretched. The thighs are getting stretched. Push your knee down. One knee down, one knee up. Don't lift your leg. Just keep your one leg down. One knee down. And lean back. Lean back. 1, 2, 3. His quadriceps are getting stretched. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change. Now his left knee is going down. His left quadriceps are getting stretched. 1, lean back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, quadriceps are getting stretched. 7 and 8. Okay? Now the next one. Okay. Now he's going to sit down like this, touching your hands down, and lift your butts up. Lift your butts up. Okay? This is the starting position. And he's going to take his right hand across. Right hand across. Right hand across. Yes. Lifting the butt up and go across. Across. 1. Stretching the entire sides. 2, 3. Lift your butts up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the side. Butts up. Go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly go, come down. Now you have to lie down sideways. Left side, look, face the camera. Lie down sideways. Now we are stretching the sides and the quadriceps, both. Okay? What you have to do is, you have to bend your right leg, hold it with the right hand. Right leg with the right hand. Pull it up and behind. Now lift your left leg and put it on your right knee. And push your right knee down and pull it behind. Okay? This should be the position. Pull it behind and push it down. So your sides are getting stretched and the quadriceps are getting stretched. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other side, other leg. Pull your left up and push it down. So leg will pull it behind and push it down as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn on your stomach. Turn on your stomach. Both legs together. Both legs together, down, straight. Bhujangasana position. Both legs together. Hands right below the chest. Okay. Now you just have to come up. Come up in the Bhujangasana position. Come up. Stay there. Now what you have to do is, you just have to turn your left shoulder. Get your right shoulder in front and look back. Look back over your right shoulder. Turn. Turn, look back. 1, 2, get your right shoulder in front. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slowly come back to center. Now look over your right shoulder. Get your left shoulder in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slowly come back to center and slowly down and relax. Now stretch both the hands in front. Stretch. Okay. Now right hand, left leg. Right hand, left leg up. Right hand, left leg up. Up and hold. Hold. 1, 2. Lift it up. Breathing normal. Breathing should be normal. 3, 4, normal breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and down. Now left and right, up. 1, 2, let your hand go up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now both hands, both legs together. Some more straight. Now both hands, both legs together. Up, up, hold. 1, 2, breathing normal. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And relax. Now both knees bend, both hands holding your both ankles, and lift your shoulders as well as the knees together, up, come up, up, lift your knees up, lift your knees up. 1, 2, look up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slowly down and relax. Now sit down in Vajrasana position. Sit down in Vajrasana. उल्टा बस नहीं part camera. Okay, this is you have to sit in the Vajrasana. You have to take your right hand behind. Okay, right hand behind and pull it with the other hand. Pull this hand with the other hand, and your neck will be on the opposite side. Your neck will, if your right hand is behind, your neck will go on the left side. This stretches your trapezius, the neck. Most of the IT people, they must do this. This is the trapezius stretch, neck stretch. This releases your neck. 1, 2, pull. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Other hand, pull it. This is ideal for IT people who are working lot many hours on computers. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. With this, we end our session today, stretching session. Hope you all liked it. Again, before you go, there is an important announcement. Tomorrow and day after, both batches will start at 6 p.m. instead of 5:30. Those who join late, please take a note of this. Tomorrow and day after, the batch will start at 6 p.m. instead of 5:30. Tomorrow morning at 8:30, there is a Facebook Live eating habit session. So please don't miss it. Please attend all the sessions. It is very useful for you. And this is organized just for you. So please keep that in mind. Take the note of the change in the timings. And stay tuned and have a great evening. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to post the comments. Spread it to your friends. We need your suggestions. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Thank you Atul. Thank you Aditi. Thank you. Thank you Mayur. Thank you Nidhi. Thank you Dara. Thank you Charles, Abhijit, Sharda. Thank you Ketki. Thank you very much Shruti. Thank you Deepika. Thank you Aditi. Arun. Rakesh, thank you, Amrita, Rahul. Thank you everyone. Thank you Aniruddha. Thank you Gulkarni. Enjoy kara Sandhyakal. Thank you Prasad, Ranga. Thank you Dayanand, Pooja. Thank you very much. Thank you Ajit, Shipra, Jyoti, thank you very much. Mihir, Shibani, Dhanashri, thank you very much. Thank you Godya.